Hey guys, Paul here again. Today I picked up a new phone from Best Buy. This is their $130 blue phone. Recently Best Buy started selling blue products. They're basically a Miami-based company that is selling unlocked phones for a very low price. So basically you can pick up a phone with some decent specs. Basically it's a mid-range phone, but it comes with some good features, a lot of features which people are looking for, and the phones are unlocked, so they work for GSM carriers, T-Mobile, Metro PCS, etc. So I picked this one up today. This is the third phone I've gotten from Best Buy of blue. Okay, basically this is their Dash 5.5 phone. Okay, so they do have the Blue Studio as well, which I've gotten 2 of those already and did reviews on. But this is the Blue 5.5. Basically it comes in 2 colors. There's a black color and a white color. I'm going to do the unboxing for the black color today. Okay, so basically this phone is 4G HSPA. It's not LTE. It's a quad core 1.3 gigahertz. It has a 5.5 inch screen, 480 by 854 display. It does have expandable storage, so you can use a micro SD up to 32 gigabytes. Has a 5 megapixel camera, LED flash, 1080p video recording at 30 frames per second, and it has Android KitKat version 4.4. So this is the box that'll come in if you get it from Best Buy. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Set the box there. So basically the phone will come exactly like this when you purchase it. Okay. It does come in this plastic sleeve. Okay, let's go ahead and take it out. Okay, so basically the phone has this sticker on top of it, and it basically goes over the specs of the phone. A 5.5 inch display, 32 gigabytes expandable memory, 4G, basically all the specs that I went over on the box. Okay, so it does have this as well. Okay, so the back is removable. Okay, so this is the back plate of the phone. It does have a 5 megapixel camera. I don't know if you can see that there. Okay, it has the blue branding on it as well. This is a grayish color to it. Okay, this phone is dual SIM, so it's compatible for WCDMA and GSM. The micro SD slots there, the camera, IMEI numbers for both SIM cards, and the speaker grill. Okay, on the right side of the phone you have your volume rockers there. On the other side you have your power button. Got a front facing camera, and your capacitor buttons are here. Basically you got 3 buttons there that you can see. Back, home, it looks like a recent apps or settings button. Okay, charging port is on the top, and the headphone jack as well. Okay, this phone comes with a massive battery. Okay, and I don't mean massive by milliamps. I mean the battery's huge. Okay, it's a 2600 milliamp battery, but basically, let me take the battery out. You can see it here. I'm going to compare it with a Samsung Galaxy S4 battery, which is basically the same milliamps. $2,600 milliamps. 2,600 milliamps. Look at the size difference on these two batteries. I mean, it's huge, this battery. You can even place the Samsung battery on the blue. I mean, I first glance at this, I thought, wow, this has to be like 4,000 milliamps or 3,500, but it's not. So, anyways, that's the battery there. Inside the box, you got your headphones, your basically charging port here, USB cable. Does come with a case to it, which is a nice flexible case. And it comes with the user's manual, and it comes with a screen protector as well. So it's pretty good. Blue gives you always gives you a lot of good accessories with their phones. Okay, so it's not bad. It's actually pretty good. That's one thing I like about these Blue phones, is all the accessories that does come with the phone, which is pretty great. It's pretty awesome. So let's go ahead and put the battery in the phone here. Okay. Let's put the back cover on. Let's power this phone on. Let's take the sticker off. Okay. So basically this is the lock screen, guys. Okay. So this is very basic Blue lock screen. You can swipe up to Google, camera, or just unlock. We're just going to unlock it. Okay. So swipe down the toolbar. So slot 2, slot 1. Press this one here. Clears the toolbar. This one takes you to basically a menu here that you have. And don't forget, guys, please subscribe, hit the thumbs up button for Clark Griswold here, your local unboxer. Lately just for Best Buy's Blue products, but I do a lot of other phones as well. So let's go to settings. Battery. So it's at 72%. Okay, so let's go to About Device, Android 4.4.2. Okay, so let's see what else it has. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, display. Let's check the brightness. So this is max brightness. This is auto. This is max. Okay. So let's see what else. Storage. Okay, so available storage is 2.1 gigabytes. But you can add an SD card, which is great. Okay, that'll make the phone even better. Okay, security, screen lock, slide, voice unlock, pattern, pin, password. You have that. Okay, so let's see here. Let's go to Wallpapers. This phone comes pre-installed with a lot of wallpapers, as you can see. And it has tons of wallpapers pre-installed. It just keeps going. And then it also is installed with live wallpapers. Okay. Widgets. So it does have these widgets here, as you can see. Okay, so this benchmark is not pre-installed in the phone. I did download that earlier today. Okay, because I'm going to do another video on how basically it works using games like Minecraft. I downloaded, see if you can see that. Downloaded Temple Run. Okay, and then I'm going to do a benchmark test, and then I'll do a comparison. Maybe with the Galaxy S4 comparison, see how it compares. Or I have a couple other phones I can compare it to. Just check it out and see, you know, specs wise, how it compares to higher range phones, or a phone that is basically like 3 years old, like the S4, compared to a newer phone like the Blue Dash 5.5. Okay. Cameras. Let's take a look at the camera. I did take some pics earlier, as you guys can see here. Okay. Camera is decent. Okay, decent, which I mean, yeah, at close range photos, good outdoor light, it's pretty good. Okay. This is just outside photos here. Okay, this is my dog. Okay, I did do a quick video. So as you can see at like certain points of the video, like the color is vibrant, it pops, like the green right there. And other times, depending on your position or the light coming in, it's not as vibrant, the colors, you know. So this is indoor pictures of my S4. Okay, with a flash on, just outdoor. Okay, another one. My dog again. That's Jackie Boy. Okay. So, camera's decent, like I said. You're gonna get decent pics. It's a 5 megapixel. I'm surprised they didn't go a little higher with the megapixels, because it is such a big screen of a phone. It's a huge phone, you know. I mean, I can compare it side by side with the 5-inch Galaxy S4, and you guys can see the size difference there. I mean, it's huge. It's like a phablet, you know, so if you're into that, you like the bigger phone, yeah, this is a good phone for you. But it does weigh a lot. It is kind of on the heavier side of the phones. You know, this is super light compared to this one. I mean, I feel the difference. But it is, you know, it's a good phone for $130. I purchased it at Best Buy. I think it's a good buy. If you like bigger display phones, then I say, yeah, go for it. You know, me personally, I'm gonna return it. You know, I'm not 100% impressed with this. You know, I've had some other blue phones. Blue Studio G was